Hi, Miss Lottie. This is Vinny at Tameron Hyundai. Thanks for inquiring about the Elantra. This beautiful car comes with a chrome accented grille, projector headlights, fog lights, 16-inch alloy wheels. Comes with a heated side mirrors that has blind spot detection. On the inside, we see this beautiful premium cloth interior, tilted telescopic steering wheel, 7-inch audio display with Google Android and Apple CarPlay. This beautiful vehicle comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty. Comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron Hyundai, we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. I'm Vinny Wells. Call me at 334-313-7131 and come down to Tameron Hyundai and see us, because you're going to love the way you're treated